guys, so today I'm going to do a review on 3 different mascaras from 3 of my favorite brands. Going on the mascara train. So we have Lorac, we have Benefit, and we have Tarte. First, Lorac. So Lorac is, one of my favorite brands because I love their bronzer and I love their blushes. But their mascara is okay. The 3D mascara is something that, I could do without. It's nice because it's curved, so it gets to your lashes, especially the ones that, you have to wiggle through and you miss them with the other mascaras. This is just not my favorite. And the next one we're going to do is Tarte. This one's nice because for volumizing, so I don't use this one as much either, but it's a great mascara. It's a deep black, so it really accentuates your lashes. It's not waterproof, so it's not going to stay on as long as, say something like the Aqua, I think it's the Aqua one by Makeup Forever. And the last one I have is They're Real. And this one's probably my favorite mascara ever because it's buildable and you get as much or as little as you want. It's nice. The applicator is thinner, so it lets you really add a lot more to your lashes without them looking clumpy or, old, like as if you had mascara on forever. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment.